Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix your AirPod pop-up not showing on your iPhone. Well, there can be few processes that you can try. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to make sure is that your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is connected. As you can see here, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is actually turned on. So you can long press on it. And here you can see Wi-Fi is connected and Bluetooth is also turned on. So after making sure that you can now lock your phone, after locking your phone, you can unlock it and you can simply just open your AirPod like this. And the pop-up should be right here. Currently, you can see the pop-up is not showing. So the another thing that you can do is make sure that your AirPod is completely charged. So if your AirPod is not completely charged or if it's like lower than 50%, this type of issue can be shown. So make sure that your AirPod is completely charged. So even after making sure that your AirPod is charged and it's still not showing the pop-up, the next thing and final thing that you can do is try to forget your AirPod on your device and then reconnect. So we're going to see just how you can do it. First of all, you have to go to your Bluetooth settings, for which you can simply just tap on your settings. And in here, you can tap on Bluetooth. And right now here, you can open the AirPod and you can see it is now being connected right here. And it is already connected. So you can simply just tap on this I like icon that you can see right here. And in here, you can scroll all the way down. And in here, you can see forget this device. You can tap on it and then tap on forget device one more time. And again, forget device. And now this AirPod is completely forgotten from your device. So in order to reconnect, what you're going to do is open your AirPod just like this. And then you can press on this button. Keep on pressing until you see a different color right here. So you can keep pressing on this button like this. And then here you can see your AirPod Pro pop-up is right here. So you can tap on connect. And just like this here, you can see now your AirPod pop-up is shown on your phone. And that is it. That is how you can try to fix your AirPod pop-up not showing on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next.